Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Ford Parts rock guards on the bottom kick plates down here. So I am going to unbox those for you here and show you the installation. It should be pretty straightforward. It just uses some double-sided tape, but this is going to help with rocks from the big 35-inch tires we installed here a week ago. Originally, I wasn't even purchasing these with the intent for saving the paint from rocks. It was because of the ugly finish down here. So it looks very unfinished where you see the pinch welds down here, especially when it's lifted. It catches your eye quite a bit, I think. So I didn't really like that look. So these covers are plastic, but it's going to cover this part here and then up underneath to save the rocks, because if you don't know already, the 35-inch Goodyears that come on the Sasquatch throw rocks like crazy. I don't even live on a gravel road and it still throws rocks, man. It's bad, super bad. So I've seen some guys already having rock chips underneath from throwing rocks straight up into that painted area. So these covers should cover that nicely. It will still allow you to put on steps, side steps if you want, so you don't, I mean, you can still put this on to protect this part here and then still have your side steps. I don't really like the look of the side steps unless my wife forces me to. I'm not going to put them on. I like the look without the side steps a little bit better, so this will cover up all this and just look a little better and protect the paint. So let's take a peek at the unboxing here and we'll get these things installed. Alright guys, so we're going to unbox these things here. So if you can see that part number there, this is actually a Ford part that you can order direct from anybody who sells Ford parts. I did some searching online to try and find the best price and the lowest shipping, so I'll put links in the description to the company I used for ordering these up. There's also a two-door set for these. I'll link both of them. But yeah, search around, see if you find the best price. And let's get these things unboxed here. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, looks like some black plastic. Alright, so here they are, guys. So, nice plastic to actually, looks like the same material that the fender flares are made out of, so it'll match nicely actually. So you see it's going to sit kind of like that, and this is the area that'll cover up those holes with the pinch welds, and then get that lip underneath there. And there's the back side. Got double-sided tape all the way around. So that'll work nicely. Looks like there's some other pieces. Let's see what we got. Oh, so I was saying Lund. I'm not sure if Lund makes, or Bushwacker makes Lund, or Lund makes Bushwacker. But it says Ford Trail Armor Rocker Panel Set. So, yeah. Tools for easy installation: cleaning cloth, Phillips screwdriver, masking tape. So that's all I did was take a microfiber cloth with some glass cleaner, just cleaned up those rocker panels real good and get them dry before we put these on. But I think we'll go ahead and get everything set up and start installing these things. Alright guys, I did get the directions out so we can look at those. I don't know if I showed you those little pieces. These are for the front, just behind the front wheel. So they got two little small pieces for each side for that. The big long piece goes behind the, or just on the edge of the front door and all the way along the side, or the bottom there. I did, on the first step of the directions here, it does say there's a little panel, I'll show you here, right there on the back. And there's the screw right here. So Phillips head, we're gonna actually take that off, and then it's actually gonna fit underneath that, like right on the back side, so it'll fit nice and flush with this. So these things were definitely meant to go on these Broncos with the factory stuff. So we're gonna take that screw out quick, and then they also did put in some alcohol pads, and this is surface prep. So I don't know what all is in here. It just says adhesion promoter. Let's see, it says contents acetone and acrylic polymer. So anyway, we'll just wipe that down to see if it actually promotes adhesion. We don't want them falling off, so I'll do. Pretty long little screw. Let's take that out. And then, yeah, that gives you some room there. Suppose better just clean right back in there too while we're at it. Just to make sure. Alright, so obviously each one goes on one side, so you'll know when you fit it up here. These little tabs right here are what lines up with these holes. So you can tell that this is for the passenger side. So I'm just going to dry fit this here and see what it looks like. See how that double-sided tape's going to fit. Should be interesting. See if this tape's really going to fit. So the way this is going to go, when we put that screw back in, it's actually going to go through this, and it'll hold that one end up anyway. And I'm peeling this side off. And the directions said not to peel it all the way back, so we'll do just a couple feet here, and then as we go, we can peel more of it off. So that should be a good starting point there. Still looking good all the way down before we push too hard on it. That looks good. I think we're good. So I'm going to start peeling these back as we go here, just a little bit at a time. And we'll just keep going down here. So we want to make sure we get this underside good and secured too. As we go here. I can already tell these are going to look really good. I like it. Feels like it's sticking pretty well, so. Ready to get that last section off. There. Get this finished up down here. All right, so I think we've got that big section done. Let's see which one we need. That one? That is the one. 'Cause this one doesn't fit right. So we just need to do the same thing there. That's kind of the important first one. We're shooting the most rocks right there. Alright. I think we got it, guys. Let's take a peek. Alright guys, I think we got the passenger side on. So there's that front piece right there. And then all the way along, right there. We just gotta get that screw in. We'll do that quick. But yeah, check that out from back here. No more body colored pinch welds hanging out. I think that looks way cleaner. Plus we're getting protection from the rocks. 2 for 1, guys. So yeah, we'll show you a little video outside in the light here after I get the other side on. Other side will be the same way. So thanks for watching the Bushwacker rocker panel armor install. So if you're looking for something to protect that without doing like a rhino liner or anything else, I think this is a good option. I paid around 220 bucks, I think, all in, shipped and tax. So like I said, check the links for those websites for where to get these from. And if this helped you guys out or you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more Bronco content. Have a good one.